How to fix HBO Max login error. First, if you're having any kinds of login error on the HBO Max application, you want to simply check for internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you want to simply verify your email and password as well. You want to simply tap on sign in, and by doing so, you want to simply make sure that you put in the right informations over here. After that, if you're still facing any kinds of problem, you can simply tap on need help signing in option over here, and you would be redirected to the website over here from the help.hbomax over here. You'd be redirected to the customer support over here, and you'd be able to contact your problem over here, and you'd be able to find the solution as well. However, you can simply check for any kinds of update as well. You want to simply go to your Play Store over here, type it out HBO Max to search it, and by doing so, if any kinds of update is available, you want to simply update the application again and tap on open to open the application. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.